just came from Manzamo.
Cape Manzamo.
Cave siya, no? Cave.
Cape.
Cave.
There are actually mga 5 capes here eh. So, but I think that's the most accessible.
Tapos, yung next destination natin is...
It's a very special place.
Delicacy na destination. It's not a side destination.
It's a garlic shrimp restaurant. It's along the coastal road.
Baka close na.
Ocean Expo Park. There's actually may mga
ganyan.
aquarium mga ganyan, pero ayoko ng aquariums eh.
Turn left.
Because it's bad. Imprisoning animals, wildlife is bad.
Buhay pa na shrimp, tapos kakainin. Baka fresh na shrimp yan. Mag-turn left man tayo, di ba?
Okay.
Nago is
Turn left. Along coastal road.
kadena. May kadena
Still
din
along
pala sa
coastal
dito.
road.
Yung word na kadena pala is Japanese.
Lang view deck na.
Turn left tayo. Here.
Kyoda.
Automatic off. View
At the light,
efficient.
turn left.
Okay. Doon siya.
In 600 meters, turn left.
1 minute.
Oh,
600 meters.
Next destination.
Oh, that's a nice coastal road tayo. Along the coastal road.
400. Uy, ganda ah.
Ganda na. Coastal road. Naganda na kanya view deck.
Ganda nga, touristy yung kanina.
Actually, teka.
May 170, 140. Papasok
Turn
tayo.
left. Then your destination will be on the
Turn
right.
left.
Ito?
Ha? 80?
Pasok tayo.
Ito ata, drive-thru ba?
Garlic shrimp to eh. Ah, ito. Pasok dito.
Oo, pasok dito.
Oh.
Wihihihi. Wihihihi. But it's like not this one, along this road.
Ayun ang garlic shrimp po. Nakalagay.
Ha? Oo nga, no? Okay.
Your destination is on the